YouTube, Aaron here with Rats Tesla, and today we're going to solve one of the problems that I've had with my Tesla. Colorado weather's flaky. If you've never been to Colorado, it can be 100 one day and 50 the next day. So that means on some days I want my roof glass to not be covered, and on some days I want my roof glass to be covered because it's so hot. I've had a sunshade that I put up there. I did a review on it a long time ago. Still a really good sunshade. The problem is on the days when I want it to be down, when I want to be able to look outside, when I want to see through the glass, it's such a pain to take down. Well, we're going to solve that problem today in this video, so make sure you stick with us. All right, so as I said, we have something that's going to solve our problem. This is from our friends over at EVBase, and this is a retractable sunshade. I'll have a link in the description down below, along with the website, along with my discount code, so that you can get a good discount on this as well. But I think this runs like $2.99, something like that. I'll put the price up on the screen. I'm not quite sure off the top of my head. I think it's like $299. But we're going to get to the unboxing real quick and put this in. I think I might need help putting this up, but we're going to try and see if we can do it on our own. Let's get everything out of this box and into the back of the car so we can take a look at it. This box from EVBase. This kit is basically 4 pieces and a bag of hardware. So we have the main piece, and you can see the shade in here. This is so you can open and close, and this is folded in half. We'll get to the installation here in a second. Then there's this outer piece, and this is gonna just kind of stick to the roof liner and hide this bracket. And then you've got the front and the rear bracket poles. So you'll look at these poles when you get your kit, and sorry, they've got Velcro on them. So you'll see these poles when you get your kit, and they are got Chinese writing on them. So I did you guys all a favor, and we'll see if we can see this. This one right here is the front pole. This one right here is the rear pole. So basically, the wider one goes to the rear. And you want to make sure that these arrows point to the front as you install them. And these are really easy to do. As we'll grab the rear one, we'll put the rear one in. These are really easy to do. First off, like I said, you want to make sure the arrow points to the front, and that sticker is going to go to the top. So basically all you're going to do is you're going to take this and slide it underneath the roof over there, and then you're going to slide it underneath the roof here. On the near side, you can see it just kind of slides underneath there. Up top there. And then once you've got that slid in, you just need to push it all the way back. And you're going to do that on the rear and on the front. Now I have to make one adjustment in my car because I believe that something I have is not going to work. But again, just slide that in and then kind of bring it backwards a little bit and work it in here. And then you're just gonna slide both of these forward, and they should go just about all the way to the corner. And it does, it goes all the way to the corner. But I'm gonna have to take this down off of my sunglass holder, because I think it's gonna get in the way. We'll see if we can put it back up. But so what you're gonna have after you do that is you're gonna have the pole across the back and then the pole across the front. Now for this next step, I actually think you might need a second person to help out, because basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna unfold this, and then you're gonna screw it up to those brackets with these screws. So let's get this kit out and get everything ready to go, and then we'll talk about getting this done. Open up the little kit that has all the pieces parts in it. You're gonna have silver screws and black screws. And they do give you extras, so don't be scared. The silver screws are what we're going to use to screw these corners up to the back. The black screws we're going to take, after we unfold this, and we're going to take a screw and a nut, and we're going to put them through here to tighten this and make it one piece. And we're going to take a bolt and a nut. We're going to kind of stick this through here. I'm trying to see, it looks like we're going to want to put the bolt through this way. We're going to basically put that through here. And get that pushed all the way in. And once it screws all the way through, you'll see just a little bit poke out. And you're just going to put that nut on there and just kind of hold it in place and then screw it so that it's tight. You don't have to over tighten this, so you don't need a pliers on the other side. You just need to kind of tighten a little bit just to hold it stiff. We're going to flip it over and we'll do the other side as well. Like I said, one side has a deep hole. That's the side that the screw goes through. And you just want to kind of push it all the way through. You might have to screw it into place until the threads start to come out the other side. This one had a nut embedded in there, so that's a good thing. So now we've got the bracket all in one piece. Now we're going to get it in the car. So I went against better judgment and I got this up there by myself. I have long arms. I will tell you that this piece here does not necessarily have a front and a back, but I will tell you that I did make a mistake earlier when I told you that this piece in the back, that the arrow should point forward. In the front, it should point forward. In the rear, it should point to the rear. And that's so that these holes line up right here. So once you have it up, you can see that, it slides open and close real nice. Now it will sag here because I don't have the protective piece up. So let's put that up next. The front is the wider side. So make sure that the wider end goes to the front. And then just kind of stick this up. We'll have to get it up and in place and then make some adjustments to it after the fact. But let's get it mostly secured. So that thing that you think would be super easy was not the easiest thing to put up, but once it's up, it looks good. I will tell you, you want to start from the back. You want to make sure your corners are lined up and your back is lined up, and then just kind of work your way forward. And then in doing so, the front should line up nice and neat right here. And then it just can be slid shut. So let's check this out shut. I think I can probably reach the rear from sitting down in the front, but and then the cool part is these are magnetic in the middle, so they stick shut. So nice clean install. So now on days when I want this open, I can open it. And on days when I want it closed, I can close it. All right, that'll do it for today's video. Yeah, I'm a little sweaty. It is hot out here, as it is in most places. But that's our retractable screen or roof cover from our friends at EVBase. Again, link in the description down below. I have a discount code as well. So make sure you use that discount code to get some money off when you purchase this. I will say this is a 2-person install, just for parts of it, just to make it a little bit easier. I did it, but I'm 6'1", my arms are long, I can reach. If you're shorter, smaller, you might really struggle and have a hard time. So get a second person to help you out. Once you got it in though, it's a nice clean install. It looks good, it fits in there well, and it's super functional. But thanks for watching today's video. Short one today. Get down, go hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button so you know when we have new videos out. Also, drop a comment on this. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know if there's other products you would like to see or other types of videos you'd like to see. But as always, thanks for watching. Get out, go drive, be safe, have fun, and we will catch you in the next video.